Alright, country family, make I dey use this moment dey greet una happy weekend. How una dey out is for the move forward that and that put for there. And today I appreciate the Almighty God for the privilege, the grace wey He don give to every one of us, aiming for be a partaker of another beautiful weekend in good health and in sound mind. Baba God wey be say when some people still dey sleep for bed, and e be say some people sef e lead them to some death or to their death, if we fit call am like that. But He don give us the privilege, say maybe for use our own eyes see another beautiful weekend. He give us the breath of life in good health and sound mind. Now today I appreciate the Almighty God. Of course, this one na TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the weekend edition. And today na the 10th day of August 2024. Now so August just the movie, dey rush pa. It won't leave us again. Now so we go dey knock on September very soon. Alright, now for here we go dey give you back to back plenty informate of matters wey don shele from Monday go reach Friday even till this very morning. Now on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, now for there this one go dey come to una back to back. If you don ready, myself I don ready. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo. Make I dey use this one dey wish all those wey dey do their wedding today, say I dey wish them happy married life. Una go enjoy una marriage, una go enjoy am titi lai. Alright, today celebrate every other person wey dey do one thing or the other today. We celebrate una, we greet una. Alright, maybe no be like say we dey use that one dey take time. TinTinNi Tori, we then get am, e don plenty for ground. Oya, we do this one again. The very first story of matter wey shele in the course of the week. Now in the talk say federal government don stop with the sale of 40,000 naira subsidized rice to civil servants. The federal government don stop the planned sale of subsidized rice to civil servants. Income therefore withdraw the circular wey e direct civil servants wey get interest for the subsidized rice to apply. Alright, another informative wey dey for here na in the talk say #end bad governance in Nigeria protest organizers don call for IG sacking. The End Bad Governance in Nigerian Organizing Committee don demand the dismissal of Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun on top im response to the killing of protesters. The demand na im dem make during one candlelight symposium wey dem hold in honor of the victims for the White House wey dey Ikeja, Lagos State for Friday. Alright, another informative wey dey for here na in the talk say your speech fail to address matter wey citizens dey protest about. Now who talk this one? Obi Ezekwesili. Former Nigerian minister Obi Ezekwesili na part of plenty Nigerians wey don chook their mouth for wetin President Bola Tinubu talk for im speech earlier this week. Madam Ezekwesili, like many others wey don react, talk say the president no address the demands of the End Bad Governance protesters. Now on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, na for there na Stutanda. Another informative wey dey for here na in the talk say Naija dey sit on top keg of gunpowder. No be me talk this one. Now Obasanjo, former President Olusegun Obasanjo bin insist on Friday say the country no go progress towards achieving its goals unless leaders and citizens embrace wetin im term as moral rearmament. Im also warn say Nigeria dey sit on top the keg of gunpowder wey fit explode if the nation fail to take courageous and decisive steps to take address im numerous challenges. Another one wey dey for here na in dey talk say Shettima don welcome MTN's 1 billion naira donation to food support program. Vice President Kashim Shettima don welcome the donation of 1 billion naira to the federal government food support program and 4,600 units of digital devices for distribution to schools by telecommunication giants MTN Nigeria. Another one wey dey for here na carry us enter inside Ukraine. Deadly Russia strike don engulf Ukraine market in blood, smoke. Drying blood been smear across one billboard advertising electronics, and black smoke spread over the tangled metal railings of one supermarket after one Russian strike been tear into Kotishnivka for eastern Ukraine. The very last informate wey dey for here na im carry us enter inside the exciting world of sports. Alright, this one they talk say Tobi Amusan don fail to qualify for Olympics 100-meter hurdles for Friday. May we hear the full story. Nigeria's Tobi Amusan, the 2022 world champion and world record holder for the women 100-meter hurdles, don fail to reach the final of the women's 100-meter hurdles event for the Paris 2024 Olympics wey shele for Friday. The 27-year-old wey dem fight out for the 6th lane bin finish in the 3rd position with a time of 12.55 seconds for the heat 1 of the event for Friday. Alright, now with that sport tori, me I go dey say my bye-byes on top this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. More than no forget say na go still fit follow us on top all our social media platforms on top TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Now go just type at Baba Future _ on air. Now for there na go land. Until next time, una no change the dial. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo. Baba Future. Una bye bye.